Hello everyone, my name is Jack. This is a drone in my backyard. Today, we'll be looking at the Dji Inspire 2 and all of its features. Please like and subscribe, and enjoy the video. The cool thing about this drone is that the landing gear goes up when in the air, but when landing, they go down. The landing gear makes sure you don't land on the camera. There are 4 propellers, one on each corner. The drone is 605mm in length. The max ascent speed is 6 meters per second on sport mode, and the max descent speed is 4 meters per second on sport mode. The top speed of this drone is 94 kilometers per hour, or 58 miles per hour. This drone is heavy compared to other DJI drones. It has a weight of 3.44 kilograms. Thank you for watching, and hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Remember to press the subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss a video. Goodbye and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.